word for today is roux. What's a roux? It's a thickening agent for your gravy, sauces, soups, and stews. This is so simple, you only need 4 ingredients: flour, butter, salt, and white pepper. In a small saucepan, melt your butter over medium-high heat. Then you're going to add your flour, salt, and white pepper. Stir consistently. Cook for about 2 minutes or until the mixture resembles a paste-like consistency. Use this roux immediately with your dish by adding 1 cup of broth or milk. Today I'm using milk. Bring your mixture to a boil and stir for additional 2 minutes, and you must stir because you do not want it to clump. It's easy as that. We are done, and I will see you next time with more Back to Basics.